Introducing the Formosa Fire Table by Cook Furniture, where timeless craftsmanship meets contemporary design. The Formosa features a precision-cut porcelain top, crafted from sintered stone engineered to resist heat, stains, and the elements. Completely non-porous and fireproof, it endures flame, weather, and time with effortless grace. Beneath the surface, a frame of solid 304 stainless steel provides unmatched strength and longevity. Resistant to rust, corrosion, and heat distortion, it maintains its integrity and luster through every season. Where concrete fades and mild steel corrodes, the Formosa remains refined, resilient, and maintenance-free. Built not just for the moment, but for a lifetime outdoors. Designed and built in California, every Formosa table reflects Cook's commitment to precision and permanence, a centerpiece that transforms outdoor living into an experience of warmth and modern elegance. The Formosa Fire Table, precision-built, purposefully designed. Cook Furniture, performance, permanence, perfection.